Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Ever pondered the significance of DevOps metrics in the realm of continuous improvement? Well, consider this. Without these metrics, achieving peak performance is like shooting in the dark. It's time to illuminate the path to success with key performance indicators that really matter. First on our list is the deployment frequency. This metric measures how often new features and updates are deployed. A high deployment frequency is not just about speed, it's about agility and adaptability. Imagine a tech giant like Netflix, deploying thousands of times per day. That's the power of a high deployment frequency. Next, we have the lead time for changes. This metric gauges the time between the inception of a change and its deployment. Reducing the lead time is like turning a slow, lumbering giant into a nimble, quick-footed dancer. Companies like Amazon have mastered this, going from days to mere minutes. Change failure rate is another essential metric. It indicates the percentage of changes that result in failures. It's about learning from failures and turning them into stepping stones, much like how NASA learns from every mission, success or failure. Time to restore service is a metric that measures the time taken to recover from an incident or failure. It's about resilience and bouncing back quickly. Think of it as your organization's ability to get back on its feet after a stumble. Cycle time, another important metric, measures the total time from the start of work on a new feature until it's ready for release. It's about efficiency and process optimization. Companies like Toyota have achieved great success by reducing cycle times. The deployment success rate is the percentage of deployments that are successful. It's a testament to the reliability and quality of the software. In essence, it's about building trust, similar to how an airline builds trust through its safety record. Mean time to resolution, MTTR, is the average time it takes to fix an issue. It's about problem-solving efficiency and reducing downtime. Think of it as a pit crew in a Formula One race where every second counts. Deployment size, the number of changes included in a deployment, is another vital metric. It's about managing complexity and risk. It's akin to a chef preparing a complex meal where every ingredient matters. Deployment stability, the percentage of deployments that do not result in an incident, is crucial. It reflects the robustness of the deployment process, much like a sturdy bridge that stands strong amidst turbulent waters. Deployment velocity, the rate at which deployments are completed, is a measure of productivity and speed. It's about keeping pace with the demands of the market, much like a courier company delivering packages on time. Lastly, change review time, the time it takes to review and approve changes before deployment, is a reflection of decision-making efficiency. It's about striking a balance between thoroughness and agility, similar to a judge presiding over a court case. So, to recap, continuous improvement in DevOps, guided by these key metrics, can lead to increased customer satisfaction, improved team morale, and reduced costs. It's about turning data into insights and insights into action. To start implementing these metrics and improving DevOps performance, begin by identifying which metrics are most relevant to your organization. Then, establish a baseline, set targets, monitor progress, and adjust as necessary. Remember, continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. It's about striving for excellence, one deployment at a time. In the world of DevOps, knowledge is power, and these metrics are the compass that will guide you on your path to success. So, go forth and conquer the world of DevOps with the power of metrics.